See. What a mesmerizing, energetic performance. Is that energetic performance? This is called an Indian dancer. They're going to show all the talent, all the energy in front of you. So it's our honor to be here.
Definitely. And you know, Atul, what? I am feeling like to dance here now after this performance. You too?
You want to see her dance on stage?
But I'm actually a very weird dancer. I cannot try here.
So
but
should
I'm
I
feeling.
dance? So should I dance on stage? Can I show you some Hrithik Roshan move like this?
Oh!
Or should I dance with her? And how many married people are here? Make some noise for married people. And how many singles are there? See the happiness, yeah?
Those who are singles.
Those who are single, they are energetic, they see the happiness.
Right. And that's why you are not in energy because you are not single.
Yes. I'll tell you one thing. When a man holding a woman's hand before marriage, it's love. It's a pure love. After marriage, it's just a self-defense, yaar. Alright, so what next? Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so very much. Okay, you have enough experience, but now again I'll come here on the program only. So ladies and gentlemen, today's event is actually a great opportunity to introduce various Korean waves contents such as K-food, K-pop, K-drama to the people of India, while creating a place of harmony between the two countries through cultural exchanges. So ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, we would love to open the brilliant beginning. Actually, the brilliant beginning is what? We really want to hear you once more, everybody!
Make some noise, please! Beginning of a Korea Culture Festival 2016 with Feel Korea in India.
Exactly. So 18th and 19th November, Korea in India, India in Korea, Korea in India, India in Korea. That's all.
Yes.
So now, ladies and gentlemen, all my friends, we would like to introduce our very, very special guest who came here today to congratulate Korea Culture Festival 2016 with Feel Korea in India. Please, everybody, please show your hands in the air for our very, very special guest.
And this is a unique way to say welcome to everyone. Show me your right hand and swing it 10 seconds at least. Come on. This is a huge welcome of Korea and India. Come on.
Whoa, what you're wearing in your hand.
Fantastic, brilliant.
I'm loving that colorful accessory which you are wearing. I'm really loving it. So everybody, we are now going to giving a warm welcome to our very, very special guest. So ladies and gentlemen, I request you to please put your hands up together to give a warm welcome to our very, very special guest, His Excellency Cho Hyun, Ambassador of the Republic of Korea to the Republic of India with Mrs. Cho. So everybody please put your hands up together.
And we also welcome Mr. Hyung Dong-hwa. He is the Honorable Senior of Korean Association in Korea.
So everybody, we want you to give a great round of applause for our very, very special guest.
Big applause, everyone.
And now I request Mr. Chavi Jaewon, Director of Korean Culture and Information Service. With a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our guest.
Alright, and the next is Koo Sang-soo, Chairman of Korean Association in India. So big round of applause once again for all of them. Come on.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the time to give a warm welcome to our very, very special guest, Mrs. Shubhra Singh, Executive Director, ITPO. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands up together for Mrs. Shubhra Singh.
And it's a humble request. Can you just do one thing? Continuously applause for at least 20 seconds for all the guests. Come on. All the guests from India, all the guests from Korea. Come on, keep applauding. And we welcome Mr. Satish Sharma, Director of Indian Korea Friendship Association.
And ladies and gentlemen, now we welcome Mr. Robinder Sachdhar, Director, India Korea Amity Association. with that, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome Shrimati Aruna Vasudevan, founder of NET PAC, Network for Promotion of Asian Cinema. So here is our all the